Hello all, can you audible? We'll
Yes.
start with, yeah, okay, Megha. We'll start with prayer, Patanjali prayer. Eyes closed, shoulders relaxed. Just concentrate on the breathing. Move the palms together. योगेन चित्तस्य पदेन वाचा मलं शरीरस्य च वैद्यकेन पाकरोतं प्रवरं मुनेना पतञ्जलिं प्राञ्जलिरानतोऽस्मि आबाहु पुरुषाकारं शङ्खचक्रासिधारिणं सहस्रशीर्षं श्वेतं प्रणमामि पतञ्जलिं हरि ओम्। Okay. Welcome all. I'm so happy to see you all in this stage and for an active participation. Yes, Mukti, welcome. And so many my old students are there, and it is very privileged and very see nowadays what happens, yoga becoming very popular, and yoga teacher must have experienced that people come to you for their physical troubles. Madam, mujhe ye hai, I have this problem, what is solution in yoga, right? So now yoga is not just like a like doing yoga and be healthy, that is the thing. But for a disease aspect, for a medical aspect also, yoga is so many research are going on. And I'm mute all of you. Whenever you have any doubts, you can write down in the chat box, or at the end we have question answer session, right? So this is the, and for that region only, Ayush ministry. Ayush is Ayurveda, Yoga, Unani, Siddha, and homeopathy. The full form of Ayush is that. So this Ayush ministry work towards yoga nowadays. So many work is, and so many courses are introduced by Ayush to standardize the knowledge of the teacher. See, there is certificate course, there is diploma course in yoga, there is degree, there is master, there is PhD. Nowadays, there is since 3 years, 3 to 4 years net. Also in net exam, also yoga is introduced, right? So yoga has a bright future ahead. And considering this, Ayush Ministry has introduced levels. In 2015-16, they introduced level 1, level 2, level 3, level 4, level 5, and it will go up to level 10. All the work process is going on to popularize yoga, not only in India and also abroad. Simultaneously, since last 3 to 4 months, they introduced special course for therapy. These level 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is for general yoga teacher, general in general, and specialized course for yoga therapy, for the disease perspective, for the medical perspective, for the curative aspect. They introduce therapy courses. So in therapy courses, there are 3 levels, but it is not called as a level 1 therapy, level 2 therapy like that. It is a course name, the degree you will provide. For therapy, it is first the basic is assistant yoga therapist. Then the second is yoga therapist, and the third one is therapeutic consultant. So yoga assistant yoga therapist is a basic level. Anyone can do, but there should have some yoga knowledge, like a little bit certificate or diploma courses will be the eligibility. So for them it will be easier. And what is the duty of assistant yoga therapist is, they have to work under yoga therapist. What yoga therapists plan, the suppose doctor prescribe the medicine, right, and the compounder or assistant of that doctor give them medicine. For that same way, the yoga therapist will prescribe the technique, yoga practices for a particular ailment, and assistant yoga therapist will guide the patient. So assistant yoga therapist has to work under yoga therapist. And yoga therapeutic consultant is the eligibility is doctor, either BMS, BHMS or Unani or Siddha or MBBS, or masters, suppose MSc, MA, MCom, any field. And also in yoga, MSc in yoga or MA in yoga, they can do master yoga therapeutic consultant. So this is the brief view about therapy. And now this level 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to 10 it will go. But we here are conducting, will conduct level 3. Why level 3? I select level 3. Why? Because level 1 is the very basic course. The name of that course is Yoga Protocol Instructor. Second level is Yoga Wellness Instructor. Third level is yoga teacher and evaluator. Fourth level is yoga master, and so on. The name will, the degree will be given. So level 1, the 30% of the course is very 30 to 40% we can say of level 1 is there include in the level 2, and 30 to 40% of level 2 syllabus will be included in level 3. But here, why I select level 3 and this yoga therapist? Because level 3 and yoga therapist syllabus are mostly very much similar. Though anatomy, physiology will be there in level 3, will be little bit superficial, like, but same system we have to study in yoga therapy. But in very much detailed type of study will be there. Right. So level 3 and yoga therapy, the eligibility will be same. Eligibility as by Ayush, we can say the eligibility will be any degree course, BA, BCom, BSc. They can appear. They are eligible to appear that particular exam. But here we very new person, so many inquiries that we are doing first time yoga, can we join directly for level 3? So yes, you can join, but the condition is that कि जो whatever study, whatever material will give to you, you have to study that proper. Will give assignment, will give will ask you to for a practical project. You have to conduct that practical projects also, like for example yoga for human problems or humans, like that you have to conduct, you have to teach, because the field experience is very much important for a level 3. तो ये एक ध्यान में रखने की चीज है कि आपको फील्ड एक्सपीरियंस तो करना पड़ेगा लेवल 3 के लिए भी एंड योगा थेरापिस्ट के लिए भी. तो हम हर एक का सिलेबस डिटेल में देखेंगे थोड़ा और आपको ये फोकस देने के लिए कि क्या क्या है लेवल 3 एंड लेवल, इसमें क्या क्या है. पहले मैं आपको मेरा सर्टिफिकेट बताऊं कि लेवल 3 का सर्टिफिकेट कैसा होता है. This is level 3 certificate. See, it's a Ayush Ministry. Here is the Indian emblem. Ayush Mantralay, Bharat Sarkar. Yoga Certification Board, YCB. This is the symbol of YCB. This is the symbol of a particular PRCB. So we have connected with 2 or 3 PRCBs who conduct exams on behalf of Ayush Ministry. That PRCB's logo will be there here. Name, see the degree is that this yoga teacher and evaluator. This is level 3 degree. Now it is not known as level 1, 2, 3, but it is very ऐसे मुंह पे यही आ जाता है. It is very popular by saying this level 1, 2, 3, but now this is the degree by Yoga Certification Board under the Voluntary Sector Ayush Ministry, Government of India. This is the validity. I have just passed last October only. So 5 साल की ये रहती है, validity period रहता है, and then you have to renew. For renew, they will give you certain types of lecture to attend, or no exam will be there. As of now, there is no exam to give, because when I give level 1, we were among the first 50 in all over the India. We have given this in as soon as they introduced level 1 course, I think in 2016. So we were directly upgraded when they introduced level 2. We were directly upgraded. So that is the thing. But nowadays they give some lectures to attend to upgrade, or form you have to apply from level 2 to level 3. You have to application type of system are also there. And yes, syllabus of level 3. See, the name of certification is yoga teacher and evaluator. So you will be yoga teacher and evaluator, means you have to you can work as an examiner. You can connect with any PRCBs, apply, and you can give them your field experience and all the teaching experience, and they will connect, they will keep you as an examiner. So whenever there is YCD exams, you can go as an examiner, and they give very much that ये देते हैं, अच्छा रिवॉर्ड भी देते हैं. Course level 3, requirement and eligibility. For open candidate there is no eligibility criteria. तो ऐसा कुछ यहाँ ऐसा लिखा है, it is written there no eligibility criteria, but I prefer some sort of field experience should be there, or during our course also I will guide you to how to improve your field experience and all. For admission in the course, it is suggested or desired that the candidate should be graduate in any stream for a recognized university or equivalent. However, the yoga institution can define their own eligibility, right? तो यहाँ आयुष की तो ये eligibility दी है. Then role description, तो योगा ये क्या है कि the quality, the master trainer in yoga education, the yoga training courses and training program, he or she can also act as a evaluator, assessor of yoga professional. तो ये आप कर सकते हैं स्टूडियो, कॉलेजेस में, यूनिवर्सिटीज में, राइट. मिनिमम एज, नो एज लिमिट. पर्सनल एट्रीब्यूट्स, तो ये क्वालिटी क्या होनी चाहिए वो है. क्रेडिट पॉइंट्स 46. ड्यूरेशन ऑफ द कोर्स, यस 800 और नॉट लेस देन 15 मंथ. तो हमारा वैसे मैं टाइम टेबल आपको बता दूंगी, वो इस तरह से हम ये कोर्स में हम आगे बढ़ने वाले हैं. सो मार्क डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन क्या है, 200 मार्क्स है. थियोरी 80 मार्क्स, प्रैक्टिकल 120 मार्क्स. थियोरी विल बी टोटल MCQ टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चंस, 80 क्वेश्चंस, 80 मार्क्स, नो नेगेटिव मार्किंग, and practical 120 marks. The unit, the syllabus is divided into 4 units. Foundation of yoga 20 marks, introduction to yoga text 20, yoga and health 20, applied yoga 20. तो ऐसे आपको 20-20 मार्क के MCQs पूछे जाएंगे. तो टोटल हो गए 80 मार्क्स। उसमें भी ऑप्शन दिए रहते हैं एमसीक्यू ABCD, उसमें से एक सिलेक्ट करके अपने एंड इफ इट इज ऑनलाइन, हमारी तो पूरा कोर्स एंड एग्जाम्स विल बी आल्सो ऑनलाइन, ऑल विल बी ऑनलाइन। सो व्हाट इज द बेनिफिट ऑफ ऑनलाइन इज कि यू कैन चेंज योर आंसर। सपोज यू हैव सिलेक्टेड B and afterwards you feel like अरे A करेक्ट आंसर रहेगा, तो you can click on A, the B will be automatically removed, right? This is the benefit of online exam. Practical work, practical में भी 5 उसमें डिवाइड किया गया है। डेमोन्स्ट्रेशन स्किल 60 मार्क्स डेमोन्स्ट्रेशन स्किल, they will ask you 2 types of asanas or any practice you have to demonstrate. Teaching skill, you have to teach that to the students, you have to they will give any topic or any yoga practice to teach you. Evaluation skill, you have to evaluate as an examiner. Suppose you are examiner and you are teaching someone, they give you student और online में है तो आपके सामने कोई भी students है, 4-5 students will be there, 4-5 students together they take exam, so you have to teach them, you have to give some practice to them to demonstrate, and you have to identify their mistake, you have to examine them whether they are doing correctly or not, and you have to give them marks out of 10. So depend upon their this they give you marks कि चलो अनुलोम विलोम किया है, they perform, they did अनुलोम विलोम, and what mistake they did, so according to you have to give marks. Application of knowledge, so you have to teach them a particular topic, they will give you to suppose any panchakoshas, about panchakoshas or chitta bhumi or something pancha prana, you have to, so application of knowledge and field experience, you have to give them the papers like I have worked under this, or I have conducted this many workshops, or like that, photographs, or under any institution you are working as a yoga teacher under any institution, so that later you have to show them. Online you can submit or show them during that exam. Now the foundation of yoga, etymology, definitions, and it's all our Upanishad, Jainism, Buddhism, Bharatiya Darshana, that is Shat Darshana. And see, this is a yoga that contemporary times and old times, that Ramakrishna Paramahansa, Aurobindo, all the lifespan, and they work, they did in during yoga their full life, what they have did. कृष्णमाचार्य, माधव दास जी ने ये कौन सी इंस्टीट्यूट की स्थापना की, शिवानंद, तो ये सब पूरा डिटेल आपको पढ़ना होगा। देन भक्ति योग, ज्ञान योग, कर्म योग, भक्ति योग, ये सारे फाउंडेशन ऑफ योगा। षट कर्म, व्हाट आर द बेनिफिट्स, प्रिंसिपल्स, एंड योग mudras, bandhas, and all. This is unit 1. 20 topics are there, 20 marks. Introduction to yoga text, that is Upanishad, Bhagavad Gita, Patanjali Yoga Sutras are there. हठ प्रदीपिका, घिरण्य संहिता भी रहेगा, लेवल 3 में घिरण्य संहिता इज ऑल्सो देयर, हठ योग टेक्स्ट. So you will be given full notes, topic wise, each concept and the syllabus wise, topic wise notes. Suppose here that is concept of chitta, chitta bhumi, chitta vritti, chitta vikshepa, chitta prasadan, klesha, viveka, khyati, right? So it is 2.8, but here there is subtopics. So all full topic wise ready material notes will be given. audio video recording will be given, but audio video recording will be an emergency facility, right? You have to be present in that class. It is very much important because it will enrich your knowledge and as well as your colleagues also. See here, anatomy and physiology, all the systems are there, all the 7 systems, though in yoga therapy 2 more systems are included. Psychology, health and wellness general rule, that is in according to Ayurveda, dincharya, rutucharya, psychosocial environment, ahar, vihara, brahmacharya, nidra, these are the cause of disease according to Ayurveda. Prevention, disease prevention and health promotion. Applied yoga, how you can apply yoga in different fields, like in school or as a in different institutions. Personality development, management of stress and consequences. So you will be as a whole yoga for prevention and management of lifestyle disorders like acidity, constipation. See all the disease, how it's a yoga therapy part. Now practicals, prayer, Shatkarmas are there. Shatkarma will have online session, Shatkarmas, Sukshma Vyayam, Sthula Vyayam. Asanas, the list of asanas are given here, which are in the syllabus. We'll have practical section also, preparatory breathing practices, pranayams, mudra bandha demonstration, all will have practical session also. Right, so any question in this level 3, then we'll go ahead for yoga therapist course. You can ask, unmute yourself. If you are working as freelancer, will it work? Yes, yes, Apurva, Bhargava. Yes, freelancer, you can practice as a freelancer also. You have to advertise yourself, right, on a Facebook or a social media, and you can work as a your own that freelancer. What is the fee structure? Yes, we'll discuss. Please
Ma'am,
show the
ma'am,
certificate
Shuddhi
once
Kriya.
again.
Oh,
Ma'am,
ma'am,
Shuddhi Kriya practical will
One
be
by
there.
one by one. Shuddhi Kriya, what, Riddhi?
Practical will be there.
Yes, yes, yes. All practical
How
will
it
be there. हम
how we
ऑनलाइन
will
करेंगे,
conduct
ऑनलाइन
और एग्जाम में
एग्जाम में भी
नहीं
आपकी
होगी.
ऑनलाइन होगी. सी फॉर लेवल 3 के लिए वो मॉक एग्जाम रहती है. कैसे कि सपोज आपको सूत्र नीति करने के लिए बोलते हैं कि चलो सूत्र नीति करके बताइए, तो आपको सूत्र नीति कैसे करके दिखानी है. इट्स नॉट रियल सूत्र नीति, बट यू हैव टू जस्ट लाइक अ ड्रामा टाइप. मैं आपको वही बता रही. हाँ, कि आपको सूत्र लेना है, बट इट इज वेरी डिफिकल्ट. हाँ, बिकॉज कभी क्या होता है कि आप अगर वो उनको समझ में आ जाता है कि इसने सूत्र नीति कितनी बार की है, नहीं की है, कैसे समझता है कि सपोज आपने सूत्र लिया, कैसे पकड़ा है वो देखेंगे. कैसे अगर प्रैक्टिस नहीं है तो आप कैसे भी पकड़ेंगे, राइट. एंड देन जैसे आपका सूत्र जाता है, यू विल हैव सम फेशियल एक्सप्रेशन changes on in the facial muscles, or you may have some coughing or sneezing, right. So you have to do that. See, suppose this type और चीख करके ऐसे आपको बताना होगा. So all will guide you. So this way you have to show the Shuddhi Kriyas. Means from when the course is starting. Yes, we'll discuss that. The books available are based on all syllabus. No, we'll provide you full notes in this new syllabus, and according to topic wise, syllabus wise, full notes. available based on our new syllabus notebooks in the market. Not a problem. Don't worry for that. We'll provide you full notes in detail. The notes will be more than enough. See, my teaching style is not superficial. So many my old students are there. I'm not in favor of teaching a superficial way. A detailed, conceptual, and qualitative study will be there. That I commit you. तो आपको ये जो है कोर्स लेवल 3 एंड योगा थेरापीज आर नॉट जस्ट एज अ फॉर द सेक ऑफ सर्टिफिकेट बट यू विल गेट मच मोर देन इन बहुत आपको ऐसी लाइफ नॉलेज यू विल गेट कि जीवन कैसे जीना है कैसे होना चाहिए लाइक दैट so it's a type of personality development course also you can say that. So certificate to get certificate is very easy and it's not so difficult but how you have depth in knowledge and how you give knowledge, how you transfer knowledge to your student, that is very much important. Certificate is for one time only. You will show certificate that I have this certificate, I am yoga teacher, bus. It is for one day, one time. And then people will come to you, how you teach them, how you apply your knowledge in their trouble and how you teach them, that makes difference. So we'll teach that way. That at the time of exam, no, that we'll discuss during at the time of exam. When our turn comes to demonstrate the Sutra Niti. Yes, Sneha, you have to unmute yourself, Sneha. Unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Hello.
So I have one question.
Madam, I am from Bangalore. Sometimes it is coming as host is not allowing to unmute.
Yes,
Okay.
yes, because so many
Can I speak,
disturbance
madam?
voice are there, no? Yes, Usha.
Okay.
level-
Madam, I have level 3. I have applied for a renewal from 2 to 3. It is now 2 months old. And I have no, it is still under review, it is saying. So will I be going through another demonstration exam and one more theory exam like this for renewal? Or
For
what will
level
be the
3,
state?
for level 3,
Yes.
yes, you can
I have
give
finished
level
my
3.
level 2. Excuse me,
Okay.
I finished my level 2 and it is expired. So I have applied for upgrading to level 3. 2 months old now. Now,
Yes,
so
yes.
far I have
They
not received
see
anything from them.
they take 2000 fees. You have to apply to. They take 2000 fees and they renew they renew their certificate. But I don't know how they are doing. But better to go and do the give the exam, Usha ji.
For level 3.
For level 3,
For level
yes,
3.
that will be better. That will be better.
Because now I already paid 2,000. They are not going to refund it to me. So I'm
Yeah.
waiting either for their workshop notice
Uh,
or I'm preparing also for level 3. So I don't know what will be my status.
Level 3 will be
And
better for you. Give level 3 exam.
means
Automatic
another
your
5,000,
renewal will be done.
7,000.
Yes.
No, means I've applied for renewal. Again, another 7,000 I will spend and
I
go for
give you
level 3.
I give you a contact number of that person. You can ask him.
Okay.
Huh?
Okay.
Yeah, just
Okay, ma'am.
WhatsApp.
Will you message me or you will message in the group?
You no. You personally ask me, and I will give you the number of a
Okay, ma'am.
concerned person.
Okay. I will send
Yes.
you a special message. Okay,
Yeah.
ma'am. Thank you.
Yeah,
Namaste, ma'am. This is
Yes.
Neha. Yes. Okay. So I want to ask one question is, so as you know, I'm going to practice or I'm going to teach out of India. So is this certificate because they want proper yoga alliance certificate to teach there. So this certificate is valid, or I have to do give another exam, or what will be the
No. This certificate will
criteria
be
for?
100% valid. 100% valid. Why? See, for example, if people have done their acupressure and acupuncture from China government certificate, they have that certificate. So we in India will allow, even in out of India, suppose in US, UK also it will allow, right? So that is our, this yoga is our Indian system, and it will allow, not, you will
No,
not
but
face any problem. See, Yoga
if I have to
Alliance.
register myself as a teacher,
Hmm.
hello, if
Yes.
I have to register myself as a teacher, they are asking for specifically, like, if you are if you have certificate from Yoga Alliance, like if that school is particularly certified for this Yoga Alliance, from Yoga Alliance.
So this reason only Indian government has introduced, and this YCB is working too much in this way also, and in future it will. So there will no any problem. You can practice in
Hello,
abroad
Deepti.
also.
Because yesterday I was searching for it on a website, but
Hmm.
there was no option. So there is option when you are going to register yourself, there is option of schools and certifications, but there is no option for YCB.
YCB, because YCB is
Yes.
still working, no, it's a new body, no, it's a growing body. These
Is
other
there
new,
age limit?
others new.
Okay, so yet it is not there.
Can't hear, so many voices, disturbance are there.
Is there
Hello,
any
Deepika
age
Didi.
limit to join the course?
Hello?
Hello.
Hello.
Is there any age limit?
No age limit.
No age limit.
Okay, so this is our YCB level 3, right? Now, yoga therapist. See, as such, there is no eligibility, age eligibility. एज कोई भी आप 18 to 80 तक कोई भी ये एग्जाम दे सकते. देयर इज नो एज क्राइटेरिया. Open candidate, no eligibility criteria, but degree holder, yes, degree holder should be there. See, yoga therapist is a big course. It's a like a master type of course. It's a it needs very commitment, time commitment also, and your effort also. It's a like a full time course. Brief role description, you can work along with a certified physician. आप डॉक्टर के साथ काम कर सकते हैं. Certified yoga consultant, to give yoga therapy on all disorders. So yoga therapeutic consultant के साथ भी आप काम कर सकते हैं, and physician hospital में as a yoga therapist आपको job मिल सकती है, and you can work in the personalized doctor also. Suppose ये है गायनेकोलॉजिस्ट है और ऑब्स्टेट्रिशियन है और ऑर्थोपेडिक है, उनके अंदर आप वर्क कर सकते हैं. सपोज कार्डियोलॉजिस्ट है तो उनके अंदर आप वर्क कर सकते हैं एज अ योगा थेरापिस्ट. दिस इज द पर्सनल क्वालिफिकेशन. क्रेडिट पॉइंट 46, 800 hours. Here there is some difference. 200 marks total marks, theory 100 marks, practical 100 marks, right? Here yoga and human body 20 marks, fundamental principle of yoga therapy, all the subject is on yoga therapy only. Application of yoga therapy in yoga text, that is in Bhagavad Gita, Patanjali योग सूत्र, योग वशिष्ठ, क्या क्या योगा थेरापीज उसमें दिए गए हैं उसके बारे में स्टडी करेंगे. फिजियोलॉजिकल एंड साइकोलॉजिकल इफेक्ट ऑफ हठ योगा प्रैक्टिसेस. सो हठ योग में जो भी प्रैक्टिस बताई गई है, द प्रैक्टिसेस व्हिच इज गिवन इन हठ योगा और व्हाट वी प्रैक्टिस, व्हाट इज देयर इफेक्ट ऑन फिजियोलॉजिकल एंड साइकोलॉजिकल लेवल, मेंटल लेवल, फिजिकल लेवल, क्या उसके फंक्शनल लेवल पे क्या इफेक्ट हो रही है. तो डिटेल स्टडी विल बी देयर. हिस्टोलॉजी कैसे वर्क करता है, कैसे ब्लड बनता है, कैसे ऑक्सीजन बॉडी में ये ट्रांसफर होता है. दिस all in detail study will be there. Demonstration skill, practical teaching skill, evaluation skill, same as level 3, application of knowledge and field experience. But here field experience, for field experience will give you assignment same as level 3, assignment, practical sections, self study. Other than level 3 इसमें और एड ऑन क्या किया जाएगा कि आपकी केस स्टडीज होगी. अपने केसेस लेने हैं, विल गाइड यू हाउ टू परफॉर्म केस स्टडीज, वर्क अंडर डॉक्टर्स, वर्क अंडर हॉस्पिटल्स. विल सजेस्ट इन हियर इन मुंबई नियर बाय घाटकोपर वी हैव many doctors, since we are practicing doctors, medical practitioners since 24 years in Ghatkopar under the banner Varni Yogalaya and pramukh-ayurveda.com. So we have so many specialists also. We have connection in trust also, trust hospital also. So we can guide my students to go there under doctors. So that is our that goal कि आपको हम internship provide करेंगे. And if you are out of Mumbai or far from Ghatkopar or Chembur, then you have to contact yourself with the doctors and will talk with that doctor. Suppose you have that any पहचान में कोई भी रहेंगे डॉक्टर कि ये हमारे फैमिली फिजिशियंस है, फैमिली डॉक्टर्स है, उनसे आप बात कर सकते हैं. हम आपके लिए उनसे बात करेंगे, उनको कन्विंस करेंगे कि आपको वो इंटर्नशिप के लिए प्रोवाइड करें. आपने उनके हॉस्पिटल में, उनके क्लिनिक में जाना. यू हैव टू सिट, यू हैव टू गो देयर, सी द पेशेंट. सो यू विल very familiar with the medical terms, the environment, the language and all medical setup. So this is the one benefit of yoga therapy, not therapeutic consultant. So this all work will be there. So we'll divide the teaching hours in both level 3 and level 2, level 3 and yoga therapy, that टीचर लेड अवर्स, द सेल्फ स्टडी रहेगी, केस स्टडीज इतने अवर की रहेगी, आपको इतने अवर आपको फील्ड एक्सपीरियंस करना है. सपोज विल गिव यू फॉर अ प्रैक्टिकल प्रोजेक्ट दैट अस्थमा. सो 3 days अस्थमा का आपका कैंप रहेगा, 3 days आपका हाइपरटेंशन का कैंप रहेगा. आपको उसके रिकॉर्ड बनाना होगा, रिपोर्ट बनाने होंगे, तो वो आपको सब सबमिट करना होगा, जर्नल बनानी होगी. यू हैव टू प्रिपेयर अ जर्नल, विल गाइड यू अकॉर्डिंगली. राइट. सो ये सारी करके योगा थेरापी एक लंबा कोर्स हो जाएगा. विल डिस्कस द टाइम ड्यूरेशन आल्सो. द थियरी सिलेबस, सी हियर ऑल यू विल सी दैट the topic is given. See, not only musculoskeletal system, whereas in level 3 it is written only musculoskeletal system, the anatomy only, and physiology a little bit superficial way. But here in detail, see histology, properties of each type, mechanism of muscles, like that. So in all this, see, blood and immune system, how the clotting happens, how the lymphatic system works, all this detail, endocrine, spatial senses, reproductive, nervous system, medulla pons, and how all this nervous system works in detail. Homeostasis. Now anatomy and physiologically, that this is a some little bit psychology, modern psychology, connection with the modern psychology with yoga psychology, Bhagavad Gita and Yoga Sutra. Diet, nutrition. I can say you will be a little nutritionist type of knowledge. So you can guide diet also for particular. See, here it is given therapeutic modification of normal diet. You will learn how to modify the normal diet according to therapy. Suppose they are high blood pressure or diabetes or any heart problem or asthma problem. So you will be given that type of knowledge how to modify the diet accordingly. So nutritionist, little bit type of knowledge of nutritionist also. So this course is full complete course. It's a very intelligently designed and give you the rich knowledge, fundamental principles of yoga therapy in different texts, like see concept of health according to that Patanjali Yoga Sutra, that Adi Vyadhi is a Yoga Vasishtha, Maitri Karuna, again Patanjali Yoga Sutra. Application of yoga therapy in different texts. Yoga therapy कहाँ दिया गया है, भगवद गीता में, अटक प्रदीपिका में कैसे कहाँ दिया गया है, ये सब हम पढ़ेंगे, देखेंगे. सेम 3 हमारे है कि योग वशिष्ठ, पतंजलि योग सूत्र एंड भगवद गीता. से योग वशिष्ठ के कितने सारे टॉपिक्स हैं. शुद्धि क्रिया, स्थूल व्यायाम, सूक्ष्म व्यायाम के फिजियोलॉजिकल एंड साइकोलॉजिकल बेनिफिट उसमें भी थे, लेवल 3 में भी थे, लेकिन इसमें थोड़ा और ज्यादा डिटेल में है. हर एक के दिए गए हैं आसन, प्राणायाम, मेडिटेशन, मुद्रा, बंधन के फिजियोलॉजिकल एंड साइकोलॉजिकल बेनिफिट. प्रैक्टिकल सिलेबस ये बहुत अच्छा है. आप यू विल एंजॉय दिस ऑल दिस थेरेपी आल्सो. रेसिटेशन ऑफ हैंड्स एंड मंत्र, षटकर्म, सूक्ष्म व्यायाम, स्थूल व्यायाम, सूर्य नमस्कार, योगा आसना, पोस्चर, ब्रीदिंग, प्राणायाम, ये सब कॉमन है कि चलो लेवल 3 में. यस, इसमें अंतर मौन एक मेडिटेशन टेक्निक ऐड की गई है. अजप अजप, योग निद्रा, धारणा, ओम मेडिटेशन, प्रेक्षा ध्यान वगैरह है. काउंसलिंग, से दिस इज द काउंसलिंग पार्ट, is how you will counsel. Suppose you are going to one doctor as an intern, and patients are there, and patient may say no, I don't have any interest in yoga, and I don't believe that yoga will cure my disease or any help, right? So you have to counsel them. So how to counsel them? This all yogic counseling methods is given here. So therapist should also be a good counselor, no? In my practice also I feel that, because my area is lower middle class, and people come with again and again that chronic trouble, suppose dysmenorrhea. So I give injections, or because my practice is both ways, Ayurveda and medical, that practice I am doing, because my area is lower middle. My husband area is a very posh area. He is doing pure Ayurvedic Panchakarma and all. So I have to work both ways. And off and on, if they come with the same trouble, then I advise, I counsel them. मुझे उनको मनाना पड़ता है, समझाना पड़ता है, 15 मिनट 10 मिनट उनको ये मनाना पड़ता है कि हाँ ये थेरेपी जो है ऐसा मैं करूंगी तो सपोज अग्निसार है कि वमन है तो मैं करूंगी तो मेरी ये ट्रबल दूर होगी. And then they do, if they you counsel and they believe your counseling, and then when they perform that practice, and they will get benefit. So by this way, how to counsel them? This is the big topic, yoga counseling. Now therapeutic skill. So therapeutic skill, in that you have to have that camp, 3 days camp or 2 days or 1 week, depend upon your time schedule, time availability. Suppose bronchial asthma, hypertension, you have to make your own prescription. Suppose I have that hypertensive patient, arrange a camp, free camp, 2 days, 3 days, 1 week, and you collect all data and practices per day. And in the initial, in the first day, you have to data collection, and then on the last day, what is the difference? Right then, like that, you have to work and you have to submit. Gynecological disorder, endocrine and metabolic में क्या आ जाएगा, थायराइड, हाइपोथायराइडिज्म का कैंप रखिए, तो ऑल विल गाइड यू. तो ये सारा वर्क आपको ज्यादा करना पड़ेगा थेराप्यूटिक में. इवन माई सेल्फ ऑल्सो, तो ये डबल टाइम हो जाता है लेवल 3 से. लेवल 3 विल कंप्लीट मैक्सिमम 6 to 7 month. ऐसे देखो, लेवल 3 खत्म करने वाले 3-4 महीने में भी दे कंप्लीट. बट आई डोंट बिलीव दैट इन सुपरफिशियल स्टडी. आई नीड मोर टाइम. हियर असेसमेंट स्किल. सी असेसमेंट में क्या है, वेट, मेजरमेंट ऑफ वेट एंड हाइट, BMR, बॉडी मास इंडेक्स, हाउ टू मेजर BMR, ये सब कैसे करना है, हिप वेस्ट रेशियो होगा, है ना, ये सब आपको सिखाया जाएगा. यू विल लर्न ऑल दिस थिंग. पैरामीटर्स रहेंगे, पल्स रेट, हार्ट रेट, रेस्पिरेटरी रेट कैसे मेजर करना है. एंड यू विल लर्न टू रीड ECG ऑल्सो. you will learn to read reports also. Sonography reports कोई लेके आपके पास आया है, तो कैसे आप ये करेंगे. तो all this knowledge, the normal values, some common normal values you have to learn, right? So and we'll call this is I think 3.5, 6 and 7 is a physiotherapy topic. So little bit of physiotherapy knowledge also you will be given. We'll call physiotherapist. Accordingly, each and every topic the specialist will come to teach you. So we'll call the specialist, and yes, you have to buy that sphygmomanometer, that is BP instrument, that weighing machine, measure tape, and peak flow meter to measure the lung capacity. तो क्या क्या खरीदना है, that diabetes sugar check, how to check sugar, तो ये सब आपको खरीदना होगा and will learn. So this is about मोस्टली सब इसमें हमने ऑक्सीमीटर आपको लेना पड़ेगा. So this course is very much focused. Lots of knowledge sharing and knowledge exchange will be there, and it will be a good and exciting journey. And now the third course is pre and postnatal yoga and Garbha Sanskar teacher training course. The third course is that it is 75 hours course, and it will take 1 month, 1 to 1.5 month type. In that course also you will have assignments, you will have practicals, and you have to do practical project also in that. So these are the 3 courses. The detail of pre and postnatal yoga and Garbha Sanskar is not YCB, under YCB Ayush Ministry course, but it is under Varni Yogalaya. Varni Yogalaya is a government, Maharashtra government registered school, and that certificate you will be given. I will show you that certificate also. See, this is the certificate. Your photograph will be here. Pre and postnatal yoga and Garbha Sanskar. Name, teacher training, certified teacher training course. So this will be the certificate. And now the timings. See, we will start our course from 24th of February, though it is written in that message is 16th February, but due to some circumstances, it 1 week is postponed. 24th of February will start. The timetable will send in the group, and also you can write down if you want. It will be Monday to Friday. Every day, Monday to Friday, level pre-postnatal yoga, Garbha Sanskar, and yoga therapist will be every day. Monday to Friday, 11 to 2, 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. मीन सुबह 11 से दोपहर को 2 बजे तक हमारा ये प्री नेटल का रहेगा TTC, टीचर ट्रेनिंग कोर्स. उसमें 11 to 1 थियोरी पार्ट and 11:15 to 2:15 will be practical. ठीक है, तो ये रहेगा 15 मिनट्स हमारा बफर टाइम रहेगा और फ्रेशन अप टाइम रहेगा. तो ये होगा हमारा मंडे टू फ्राइडे प्री पोस्ट नेटल गर्भ संस्कार का टाइम. एंड थेरापी का टाइम भी मंडे टू फ्राइडे होगा. तो थेरापी में जो टाइम है वो 2:30 to 6, 2:30 PM दोपहर में 2:30 से 6 बजे तक का रहेगा. 2:30 to 4:30 थियोरी एंड 5 to 6 प्रैक्टिकल्स विल बी देयर. हाफ एन आवर बफर पीरियड, क्योंकि मेरी एक ऐसी हैबिट है कि मुझे ज्यादा ही टाइम चाहिए पढ़ाने के लिए. आई नीड मोर टाइम. I feel like to explain you more in a different ways by giving different type of examples, right? So this is the buffer time I have to keep. And level 3, for level 3, Saturday Sunday it will be there because I have my clinic evening. अब मैं since I am taking this course, पहले मैं full time मेरा clinic था, morning evening both the time, but now I shift to only evening one time. So for level 3 only Saturday Sunday is left for me. So Saturday 5 to 8 and Sunday mornings 7 to 10:15. So Saturday 5 to 8 में 5 to 7 theory and 7 to 8 practicals for level 3. And again level 3 Sunday 7 to 8 practical, क्योंकि मॉर्निंग में हमारा प्रैक्टिकल अच्छा हो जाएगा. एंड 8:15 to 10:15 थियोरी. तो ये होगा, ये इंडियन टाइम हो गया. नाउ आउट ऑफ इंडियन, फॉर द पीपल हु आर फ्रॉम आउट ऑफ इंडिया will adjust the time accordingly. If I have number of people, at least 5 to 7 people or 10 people, minimum 5 people. If out of India people are there, then I can arrange the separate time. It's all will be flexible time. कि कैसे है, अगर 1-2 जन ही है, 1 or 2 people are then they refer the recording only. will provide recording, but mind ये रखिए कि you have to attend the sessions, because the live session when you are present, it makes difference, right? So ये है, अदरवाइज क्या होगा, रिकॉर्डिंग आप पूरा सुन नहीं पाएंगे, आपको टाइम मिलेगा ही नहीं रिकॉर्डिंग सुनने का। आज तक का मेरी जो प्री नेटल पोस्ट नेटल की जो टीचर ट्रेनिंग कोर्स है, उसकी ये जो होगी 10th बैच होगी। तो आई हैव एक्सपीरियंस दैट पीपल डोंट गेट टाइम टू लिसन रिकॉर्डिंग, सो एडजस्ट योर टाइम टेबल एंड बी प्रेजेंट इन द क्लास। The recording is an emergency facility, don't take as a routine type, huh? So we can make a separate batch for outside India people as per their number of enrollment. Yes, for level 3 and level yoga therapist exams, in the last 6 to 7 for level 3 will complete each unit. हमारा ये प्लान है, it is my plan that to complete each unit. There are 4 units, right, for level 3. So each unit will take 1 to 1.5 months. So 6 months will within 6 to 6.5 or maximum 7 months will complete level 3. There are people, there are crash courses also. See, nowadays they give crash courses. तो हमारा वैसे टाइप का प्रोग्राम नहीं है। विल हैव डिटेल स्टडी, विल हैव कंसेप्चुअल स्टडी, नॉलेज बेस्ड, नॉट अ जस्ट सेक ऑफ पासिंग। चलो एग्जाम पास हो गया, डिग्री मिल गया, फिर बाहर जाके आप कैसा बनेंगे उसका हमें कोई कंसर्न नहीं, ऐसे हमारा एटीट्यूड नहीं है। सो आई टेक मोर टाइम टू गिव यू प्रॉपर नॉलेज, डिटेल नॉलेज। So 6 to 7 months, and in the last, that 6th month, after 6 months, once we finish our portions, syllabus, all the theories and practicals also, you will have mock test, so many mock tests, so many lesson plans, and so many MCQ practices will be there. So we'll have that session, the revision session, for 1 to 1.5 month, and then we'll conduct exam. So this is level 3, and for yoga therapist also will have 1.5 to 2 months that revision practice, that practicals and all, mock test and all, and then we'll arrange the exam. So you have to commit it according to time and regularity and study. अगर आपको ये तैयार है तो ही कोर्स ज्वाइन आप करेंगे, क्योंकि आपको बहुत इसमें मेहनत करनी पड़ेगी। इट इज नॉट लाइक कि चलो हमें पास होना आसान है, मैं बताती हूँ, आप पास होना आसान है, बट हाउ यू आर, एक ये भी है कि हमने दीपिका मैडम से एक कोर्स किया है, ये मेरी भी एक इज्जत का सवाल हो जाता है कि आप बाहर जाके आप कैसे, एंड एग्जामिनर विल कम टू नो कि इसका कितना फील्ड एक्सपीरियंस है, वो आपकी बॉडी लैंग्वेज, आपकी लैंग्वेज, आपके फेशियल एक्सप्रेशन से पता चल जाता है। तो वेरी न्यू पीपल ऑल्सो कैन ज्वाइन फॉर लेवल 3, बट दे हैव टू वर्क मोर। आई विल गाइड देम, नॉट अ प्रॉब्लम फ्रॉम माई साइड, आई विल डू माई बेस्ट। मैं अपना, जैसे कहते हैं ना कि खून डाल दूंगी इसमें, लेकिन आपकी तरफ से वो फीडबैक होना चाहिए। सो थेरेपी का जो कोर्स है ना, वो इट विल टेक मोर टाइम, 10 to 12 months वी कैन से, इतना टाइम तो हो ही जाएगा हमारा। टोटल मैं बता रही हूँ कि रिविजन वगैरह करके मिनिमम 8 month to 10 month ये हो ही जाएगा। एंड यस, now in the last, the fee structure we'll post in the group, you can write down also if you want. Fees for level 3 is 15,000. प्रतिभा, हाँ प्रतिभा मैं अनम्यूट करूंगी, पहले मुझे मेरा खत्म करने दीजिए, फिर आपका ये कर लूंगी। हाँ, फीस फॉर लेवल 3 15,000 INR for India, and outside India people it is 515 USD, $515। Then yoga therapy Indian rupees होगा 35,000, and 1,200 will be for outside India people, $1,200। And pre and postnatal yoga and Garbha Sanskar 75 hours course 8,000, and for outside India it will be $275, right? If you are selecting more than one course, one suppose level 3 and yoga therapy, then 47,000 discount will be there, and dollars में 1650 US dollar। If you are selecting yoga therapy and pre and postnatal, suppose you are already level 3 and you are selecting yoga therapy and want to do pre and postnatal yoga. Yeah, some people have asked me that whether this pre and postnatal yoga and Garbha Sanskar including in yoga therapy, it will be in superficial level. But this is a specialty course, 75 hours course, especially in prenatal, postnatal, Garbha Sanskar, and also infertility. Suppose you have a patient, infertility patient are there. So what are the yogic practices for infertility? How you can help them? So this is also a complete course. So इसके अगर आपको ये दो सिलेक्ट कर रहे हैं, योगा थेरेपी एंड प्री एंड पोस्टनेटल, दैट इज नंबर 2 and number 3 course, then in Indian rupee it is 41,000, and outside India people उनके रहेंगे 1400 US dollar। And suppose you don't want to do yoga therapy, level 3 and prenatal Garbha Sanskar, then it will be 21,000, discount has given, and outside India $720। And if you are selecting 3 course, all 3, then 53,000, and US dollar रहेंगे 1,800 US dollar, 1800। These fees are excluding examination fees। examination fee को हम इसमें नहीं काउंट कर रहे क्योंकि examination fee varies time to time, they change the fees। Pre and postnatal yoga Garbha Sanskar, there is no exam fee, there will be exam but there will no exam fees। Last date of registration will be 20th February। 20 तारीख को आपको लास्ट डे, यू कैन पे इन 2 installment। 20th February will be last date, and for registration you have to send the screenshot of that payment, because what happen every time कि suppose मैं दीपिका हूँ और मेरे लिए किसी ने पेमेंट किया है और मेरे में मैसेज आ जाएगा, उनके नाम का मैसेज आ जाएगा, तो आई हैव टू गिव माय नेम कि मेरा ये स्क्रीनशॉट भेजना है, नाम पूरा लिखना है, एंड फॉर द एंड आल्सो द कोर्स नेम। सो व्हाइल रजिस्ट्रेशन यू हैव टू send me the screenshot of that payment with your full name, that is student's full name, and course name for which course you have registered। Second installment should be complete on 30th March। तो 1 महीने के गैप में आपको वो इंस्टॉलमेंट कर देने हैं, तो यू कैन पे इन 2 installment। टुडे एक आने वाले थे YCB के ही एक रिप्रेजेंटेटिव आने वाले थे, लेकिन उनको एक मेडिकल कॉलेज में जाना पड़ा वहाँ के ओरिएंटेशन के लिए, so he was not able to come। Now first we check course material। Yes, course Rajesh Gare, course material will be given full in PDF form, topic wise, syllabus wise, full notes you will be given as soon as you registered। as soon as you send me that registration details, you have to fill the form also, and you will get that notes. पतंजलि योग शिक्षक लेवल फर्स्ट एंड टेक क्लास एट घाटकोपर. हाँ, तो इट्स गुड. कैन यू प्लीज रिपीट? क्या रिपीट करना है? और कोर्सेज स्टार्टिंग ऑन 24 फरवरी. यस, सब कोर्सेज हम 24 फरवरी को शुरू कर देंगे. 11 to 1 ये रहेगा हमारा दोपहर में या प्रतिभा. लेवल 3 टाइमिंग प्लीज. टाइमिंग मैंने बता दिया. द कोर्स लेटर. सो हाउ वी विल गेट नो नेक्स्ट बैच इंफॉर्मेशन. लेटर मीन्स कैसे लेटर? अच्छा, ये बैच में नहीं, नेक्स्ट बैच की. तो नेक्स्ट बैच की तो आपको वेट करना पड़ेगा. फीस एंड ऑल रिपीट message in group. Yes, will repeat fees message. How can our station students get internship during outstation students, right? So outstation student for outside Ghatkopar, Chembur or outside Mumbai, outside Maharashtra students will guide you how to connect, how to contact doctors, and will have that contact with doctors. I will talk that doctors and convince them to give you that particular attachment for internship. Therapy yoga eligibility as network issue. Yes, therapy yoga eligibility, any degree course and basic course in yoga should necessary for yoga therapy course. Okay, now I unmute. You can ask one by one, not a jumble. And other people are, please keep yourself mute because so many noises are coming.
Ma'am, how many days?
How many days? For which course?
Free pre and postnatal yoga.
It's a 75 hours course. So it will take 1 to 1.5 months.
1 to 1.5 months. Okay.
Yes. It's a 75 hours course, no? So daily 3 hours.
Okay. Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Yeah. Pratibha.
Ma'am,
What are you going to do in pre and postnatal yoga?
ये पूरी इंफॉर्मेशन मैंने इसमें भेजी है चांदनी. And again I will send in the group. Full. It's a see. It will anatomy, physiology of male reproductive system, female reproductive system, right? The causes of problems, suppose infertility, the causes of infertility, how the different cause, suppose PCOD hai, kilo sperm count hai, these are the different causes. No, we'll discuss in in detail each and every causes and yogic solution for that. And then prenatal yoga, that embryonic development, how embryo forms, how it develops, how yoga help in that embryonic development. Prenatal yoga, the first trimester, second trimester, third trimester, all the different yogic practices will be there. Then postnatal yoga, during labor, what type of yoga, what type of breathing practice will be there, should be there. What type of yogic practices like Shuddhi Kriya, Shatakarmas or Mudras, Bandhas, what type of yogi practices you can do during all these 3 trimesters. After delivery, postnatal yoga. Suppose any complications and their solution, yogic solution, diet, so many, breastfeeding, Garbha Sanskar. It's a full specialty course.
गर्भ संस्कार में क्या होगा मैम?
गर्भ संस्कार में वो गर्भ को कैसे आप संस्कार देंगे, कैसे करेंगे, वो सब है. पूरा गर्भ संस्कार का टॉपिक है, बड़ा टॉपिक है.
ओके, थैंक यू.
मैम लैंग्वेज क्या रहेगी?
Language both, Hindi, English, both will be there because we have students from deep south also. They cannot understand Hindi at all. From out of India also. And here also, so both language will be there, Hindi, English.
Material
English. It will be purely in English only. यस,
संस्कृत जो श्लोक वगैरह होगा उसका भी इंग्लिश रहेगा
उसका भी इंग्लिश ट्रांसलेशन दिया जाएगा. यस,
और समझाएंगे हिंदी में.
हिंदी इंग्लिश दोनों में. एक्सप्लेनेशन विल बी इन बोथ द लैंग्वेज, हिंदी इंग्लिश.
और एग्जाम खाली एमसीक्यू रहेगी.
हाँ, एग्जाम एमसीक्यू है. थियरी में आपकी जो एग्जाम है ना, वाईसीबी की एमसीक्यू ही रहेगी. इवन थेरेपी आल्सो एमसीक्यू, 100 मार्क एमसीक्यू, नो नेगेटिव मार्किंग, एंड 100 मार्क प्रैक्टिकल फॉर थेरेपी. एंड लेवल 3 80 मार्क्स एमसीक्यू, 120 मार्क्स प्रैक्टिकल. विल
और
प्रिपेयर अकॉर्डिंग.
थेरेपी में जो किसी को मल्टीपल डिसीज रहेंगे जैसे हार्ट, बीपी, वर्टिगो वगैरह, तो उसमें कैसे ट्रीटमेंट देना वो आएगा.
हाँ हाँ हाँ, पूरा पूरा डिटेल आएगा, पूरा डिटेल.
अच्छा.
आपको सिलेबस में ही दिया है, इसलिए हमने सिलेबस डिस्कस किया ना. सपोज ये है कि रेस्पिरेटरी, तो रेस्पिरेटरी के अंदर क्या क्या डिसीज है, ब्रोंकाइटिस है, अस्थमा है, ये है वो है, तो सारे टॉपिक्स हम ये करके उसके कॉजेज वगैरह एंड उसकी क्या योगा थेरेपी रहेगी वो आपको सिखाया जाएगा.
हाँ.
करना आपको करना भी है. मैं इट्स नॉट वन वे कि मैं आपको नोट्स दे दूंगी, मैं बोलती रहूंगी, आप सुनते रहेंगे. आपको भी कैंप अरेंज करने हैं, आपने भी वर्क करना है. Then
नहीं,
you
वो
will.
तो समझ में आया
हाँ.
मैम, वो तो समझ में आया. लेकिन किसी को दो सिस्टम में रहेगा, तो जैसे वर्टिगो है तो ये आसन नहीं कर सकते, डायबिटीज है तो करवाते हैं कुछ, तो किसी को नी प्रॉब्लम है, किसी को बैक प्रॉब्लम है, तो वो सब मल्टीपल रहेगा तो क्या करेंगे.
तो वो आपको वही तो ट्रेनिंग है ना, दैट इज द योगा थेरेपी ट्रेनिंग.
हाँ,
हाँ
वो आएगा ना.
हाँ हाँ हाँ, यस यस.
ओके,
तो
थैंक
दैट इज द सब्जेक्ट योगा थेराप्यूटिक स्किल. तो वो आपने स्किल डेवलप करनी होगी ना, हम वही सिखाएंगे आपको कि वो स्किल कैसे आप करेंगे.
ओके.
एंड पेशेंट विल कम, मल्टीपल प्रॉब्लम लेकर आएंगे आपके पास.
हाँ हाँ.
Ma'am,
Thank
namaste. Sneha here.
स्नेहा.
Okay, so my timing is little bit clashing here because I am 3.5 hour ahead
You are
from
there in
Indian time.
Australia, you reached.
No, my flight ticket is on 31st, so I'll be there during the course. So initially, for 1 month it is possible for me, but after 1 month it is difficult for me because it is going like 8 to 11 on Saturday. So अगर 1.5 घंटा भी पहले होगा ना, तो it will be better for me. So please आप देखिए कैसे हो सकता है.
You, Sneha, what you do, you tell me your time.
Yes,
Right.
I will tell you. I will
What
message you
time
the
you
all
are,
details.
what time you are clashing. So
हाँ.
different people will connect me कि जैसे किसी को आउट ऑफ इंडिया के काफी सारे हैं, तो अकॉर्डिंगली विल एडजस्ट द टाइम, योर
हाँ, ठीक
प्रिफरेबल
है.
टाइम, एंड व्हाट टाइम यू आर
Yes.
क्लैशिंग इन दिस शेड्यूल, हाउ मेनी आवर्स आर क्लैशिंग.
आई मिस द टाइमिंग्स. क्या टाइम रहेगा क्लासेस का?
क्लासेस का टाइमिंग नीति जी, प्री पोस्ट नेटल का 11 to 1 है, थेरापी का
नहीं, मैं
रहेगा.
योगा
Niti ji
थेरेपी.
also from Australia, Sneha. Niti ji also is from Australia. She is also our student.
From which part, Niti ji?
I'm in New South Wales.
Okay, so we have time difference.
Where are you?
I'm going to be in Perth.
Oh, so you are 3 hours difference here.
Yes, 3 hours difference, 3 or 3.5.
Even in USA also PST, CST.
Okay, so are you migrating to Australia?
Yes, now I'm a PR holder of Australia, so I'm going to migrate soon.
Good. Anyway, we can connect at least on phone or something.
Yeah,
Yes.
sure. Why not?
She is very good, huh? Niti ji, Sneha is very good student of mine.
Thank you, ma'am.
And she is doing very well.
So what do you do, Sneha? Anyway, we'll talk later.
Yeah. For very Pratibha left. प्रतिभा कुछ पूछना चाहती थी कब से बेचारी.
हाँ, तो वो
शायद she left.
No,
Yoga
she's here.
therapy.
Acha, Pratibha is there.
She's
Yoga
connecting
therapy
to
का
all.
क्या time होगा?
हाँ, yoga therapy's time will be afternoon, 2:30 to 6, Niti ji. 2:30 to 4:30, 2 hours theory and then practical.
And that will be every
थोड़ा
day.
फ्लेक्सिबल रखेंगे अगर सबको ये एडजस्ट होता है 6 to 7 मॉर्निंग 6 to 7 प्रैक्टिकल इफ दे आर एडजस्टिंग then we can have that, but most of the people may have the early morning classes. Yoga teachers have early morning classes, so I kept along with that थियोरी प्रैक्टिकल और फुल एक शेड्यूल में ही रखा ताकि उनको अलग से प्रैक्टिकल के लिए टाइम ना निकालना पड़े, डबल टाइम. So
what will be the charges for yoga therapist?
इंडिया में अगर है तो 35,000 है, आउट ऑफ इंडिया है तो उनके लिए
नहीं मैम, इंडिया में ही है, इंडिया में ही है.
तो 35,000 है
अभी तक तो यहाँ. और the timing you said that is for the regular one, Monday to Friday, or it will be for weekend batch kind of?
No, yoga therapy Monday to Friday, dear, because yoga therapy is a so big course. तो डेली हमें थोड़ा थोड़ा करेंगे ना तो ही होगा. लेवल 3 weekend course is that Saturday Sunday for level 3.
So it will be 2:30 to 6:30, right?
6, but it may
Okay,
go.
ma'am.
Yeah, तो आप प्रिपेयर रहिए.
Okay.
I won't be able to do every day because I work full time.
Ma'am, this is Saidulu from Telangana.
Yes.
Oh, yoga therapy and consultancy ఇంకా क्लासेस कोचिंग नहीं है मैम?
योगा थेरेपी का कोचिंग है ना.
योगा थेरेपी कंसल्टेंसी सेम.
Yoga therapy consultant is only for doctors or masters, right? So now at present you are doctor.
I am already completed MSc yoga.
So go for yoga therapy, no, first.
Okay.
That will be better because YCB also is have not as of now, because since 2 or 3 months only they have introduced this course. So YCB has not conducted any exam for this therapy course. So I advise you to go for yoga therapy. It will be better. And then you can go once they start exam. After that 6 months they will start exam, because now institutes are starting coaching, the teaching this therapy courses, no. So once they have complete that teaching, that 7 to 8 months, they will start conduct this exam. So at that time you can give this exam also.
Compulsory coaching no ma'am, necessary na? Need and necessary?
It is necessary. I feel it is necessary to have a systematic knowledge. Otherwise, you can give direct exam, not a problem. But for a systematic knowledge, for a planned knowledge, the teaching, coaching is necessary.
Okay.
Ma'am?
Yes?
I'm sorry, I just joined a little late. Will you please tell me that are you providing all the notes and PDF for yoga therapy course?
Yes, I mean, yes. Full syllabus wise for level 3 yoga therapy, full notes, the notes preparing work is going on. And my old student Neha, Niti ji know how detailed notes we provide and how detailed conceptual study we conduct. Right?
Okay,
So,
and on which platform we will give the exam? IYA is one of the.
there are so many PRCBs, Amiji. There are so many PRCBs.
We can give it from anywhere, right?
Yeah, you also select your PRCB. Otherwise, we also have connected with 2 or 3 PRCBs.
Okay.
Mudra certification hai, IYA hai, and Yoga Bureau Veritas.
Patanjali is also there.
Yeah, Patanjali. So, in where are you from, Amiji?
I'm from Thane, Mumbai, ma'am.
So there are so many PRCBs and we conduct it. It's a वो तभी हम देख लेंगे क्या कौन सी
Okay,
CRCD को
okay.
adjust
And
करना है।
how long will this coaching go for yoga therapy?
Yoga therapy will take 10 to 11 months.
Oh,
It
oh,
will
kind
take
of a
longer.
year's course. Okay,
Yes,
too.
yes, yes. It's a
Oh,
full
it's too long.
course.
Yeah.
No, it's a full detailed
Uh-huh.
master course we can say. And we cannot take as a granted कि चलो मुझे तो ये
Yeah,
knowledge
take
है,
for granted.
मैं पास हो जाऊंगी।
It's a deep
पास
knowledge
हो
course. Yeah.
जाएंगे, पास हो भी सकते हैं, लेकिन आपको जो डिटेल डेप्थ ऑफ नॉलेज शुड बी देयर।
One last question, ma'am. It's 2:30 to 6:30 is the time. Why not it's 2 to 6 or 2 to 5 kind of, so that
2:30 to 6
in the noon
it
time
is,
maximum
noon
people
time.
are free,
हाँ,
because I have
2:30.
both the batches going on, morning and evening.
So it is because see 11 to 1 will be my prenatal postnatal garbha sanskar. So I
Okay.
need 1 to 1.5 hour time for me.
Okay, and
also.
what about that course, prenatal postnatal? How much is the charges for that?
I will post in the group, Amiji.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
We'll
ma'am. And
discuss
how
all
long
this,
it
we
will?
complete it.
Yeah,
It is
what-
75 hours course, Amiji.
75 hours. So
Yes.
maybe like 2 months will complete
Yes,
that.
yes.
Sleeping.
One to 1.5.
Okay, are you providing the certificate for that?
Yes. We'll
Okay, ma'am.
post in the group what type of certificate. You are joined
Okay,
late,
ma'am.
no? So you.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Okay.
One chat. Yes,
I have a
Neha.
question. जी,
Yes.
मैम मैं भी अभी थोड़े टाइम पहले जुड़ी हूँ. I
हाँ.
had a query that
See, I will provide a
you
video recording.
asked about.
I will.
Okay. Is there a recording facility?
Yes.
Ma'am,
Recording facility is there.
So
Neha, I
ये
will.
Can I
recording
leave? Can I
One
leave
minute.
the meeting because I have some work?
Yes, Neha. Yes.
Thank you
And
so
look-
much. There
Yeah,
is some
but
questions
Neha.
in my mind. I will let you know about it. We will discuss it.
Sure, Neha.
Thank you
Yeah,
so
sure.
much. Namaste.
Bye. Thank you.
Thanks.
Namaste. Yes, Neha.
So I joined just a while ago, and I wanted to ask. You told about the group, right? So which group? कौन से group में? क्योंकि मुझे तो link भेज दिया गया था और मैं इस link से जुड़ गई.
It's my number I'm writing in. You can WhatsApp me your full name and I will add you in the orientation group. Huh?
Okay.
Excuse me,
You know
I'm
my
leaving the
number,
meeting. I
Neha?
have a class at 5 o'clock.
You know my number?
1 second. I'm just checking. So यहाँ पे उसमें तो number तो दिया नहीं. This 8258.
98. No. You can write down my number.
Yeah. Please tell me.
Yeah, 98
98
69
98 what?
9869 121713. 9869 121713. See, मैंने चैट बॉक्स में लिखा.
ए रामरक्षा कोणी म्हटले तरी परवा नाही माहिती का?
चैट बॉक्स में लिखा है.
पर्सनल में
Madam, namaskar, madam. In the meeting, I have a class at 5 p.m.
121713.
Okay,
Excuse me, I'm leaving the meeting. I'm having a
This
class
is
at
my
5
number.
o'clock.
Thank you.
मैडम नमस्कार, मैं सत्यम बात कर रहा हूँ मैडम.
Yes, Satyam ji. Tell me.
मैडम. मैडम सब्जेक्ट अच्छा है मैडम. मैं भी करने के लिए सोच रहा हूँ. फिर क्या
करो सत्यम
मैं भी करने के लिए वो जेनो आता मैडम. मैं भी ओके जेनो आता. फिर आज थोड़ा सुबह थोड़ा फुल पोजीशन टाइट पोजीशन था. फिर भी मैं क्लास में जेन होने के बोल के आया था मैडम.
Okay. See, one more question is there. What are the job opportunities? So job opportunities is good. You can have job in the government body, like a police training center or government schools or a private school also. Nowadays they appoint yoga teacher and they need this certificate, YCD certification. धीरे धीरे वो पॉपुलर होता जा रहा है. It become popular nowadays. So job opportunities is good with this certificate. Please explain. I have done 200 hours and pass also Ayush level 1. And now diploma of foundation of yoga with Mumbai. Please let me know. This is eligible. Yes. PH, from PH you are eligible to do therapy also because you have done diploma with Mumbai University. Lalita, you can please tell again about level 3. You can refer recording, Lalita.
Ma'am,
Yes.
I wanted to ask if there is another batch for the prenatal or postnatal yoga therapy that you'll be starting soon after the February one.
After the it start on 24th February. After February, once this batch finish, we'll start the next immediate
Okay,
batch.
perfect.
That is in March ending or April first week.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Thanks, ma'am.
Yeah.
हेलो नमस्कार मैडम, मैं मंजरी कंटक बात कर रही हूँ. I just yes, I wanted to ask that regarding the time period of pre and postnatal that course, you said that it is about a maximum for 2 months. So we are going to supposed to do the practical and research work also, na?
Yes, practical session. It's all included. 75 hours
Okay.
is included. All teacher-led hour, practical case studies. All.
Okay, so everything will be covered. I mean, it will. We can get
One and
sufficient
half month.
time for that, na? हाँ,
Yes.
okay.
Yes. You will be
Okay.
given that
So
time.
for that,
You will be
okay,
given
for
that
that also we need to contact. We need to contact some nearby gynecologist, na?
or a general
Yes.
practitioner.
Okay. Okay.
That will guide you how
Thank you,
to
ma'am.
contact them.
Okay. Myself, I have completed my level 3 in November. So I was just interested in pre-postnatal and therapy course, but therapy course is let us see. it, देखते हैं, एक तो करती हूँ, देखते हैं. हाँ.
जो भी है.
Okay. Thank you so much. We'll be in contact with you.
Yes.
Later we'll talk.
आप
Okay.
ग्रुप में नहीं
Nice
हो
to meet
मंजरी,
you.
आपका मैसेज प्लीज ऐड मी आल्सो. आपका ही मैसेज है ना ये?
हाँ, yes.
तो
Yes. मैं
मेरा नंबर.
महाराष्ट्र वीओ में हूँ मैं.
ओके.
हाँ. So from that I got
तो
your.
आप मुझे ना मैसेज कर दीजिए, मैं आपको ग्रुप में ऐड कर
जी.
देती तो यू विल अपडेट.
Yes. Sure, ma'am. Thank you so much. Nice to meet you, ma'am. अच्छा, bye.
Yeah, bye.
Hello.
I have to leave the
Hello, Deepika ji.
Yes.
Hello.
Yes.
Yeah, this is Trupti Anantara. The thing is that I have my own hospital and I'm a pathologist.
Oh.
But now my husband is a surgeon from KM and I'm from Sion. Now I've started, concentrating also about little yoga aspect. And I have already enrolled myself for the Foundation of Yoga in Mumbai University online. Now, since later on that immediately I've come to know about your institute and your, passion for this. Coming to all the 3 courses that you have said, that is a pre-postnatal YCB level 3, and the last one is the yoga, that is a therapy course. Now, I just wanted to ask you, since your frank advice and your guidance also, because I'm pretty sincere to do my yoga career also very strongly. There are 2 to 3 reasons behind is that I need to go to US also in future for my son's PG in medicine only. He's also a medical student. So I started diversifying. As you know, you are a medical person. Our degrees have limitations, So in order to sustain and to support, I've started working on this. Now coming to here, now since I'm doing a foundation in Mumbai University, please guide me. For me, it will be better to do my pre-post, the YCB level 3 and the pre-post level will be, and then go next year for the yoga therapy, or can I do together? I don't know exactly.
See, madam, you are working at present or you are retired? You
No,
have
no,
to
no.
go
I've
to
got my own
hospital.
hospital. Yeah,
Own
yeah. I have
hospital.
my
You
own.
have own hospital.
Yes,
So if
I
you
have
are
my.
if you are able to cope all the three, then it will be better. See, level 3 and yoga therapy will go hand to hand. Mostly it is similar type, and you will, since you are a medical doctor and you are a PG, so it will not find very difficult for you to complete all these three course at a time. Only
I
the
don't
yoga
know. I
part.
mean,
Yes.
to be very frank with you, that's very nice of it. That, but I did found that that yoga therapy course and will have a little lot of study wise, because see, the allopathy,
Study
the
wise.
systems are different, and this is different. Is there?
This is different.
I'm 54. I'm 54. Okay, I'm 54. So no issue of studies because I'm also running a very tight schedule of my doing other courses also and my other studies also. Now, only thing I wanted your guidance that should I do first of all foundation of yoga and level 3 and pre-post or
Foundation,
next?
madam, you have enrolled for foundation.
Yes,
Right.
absolutely.
So better you go for yoga therapy and pre and postnatal, because foundation में जो आपको knowledge मिल जाएगा very similar to level 3. No need to go for level 3 separately. Right.
Okay.
So you can
Okay.
go for yoga
But
therapy.
I have to see. I have to give exam also, na, basically.
Yes.
I have to give exam also, no, by
Exam
civil
level
level.
3 exam. Level 3.
And that will be MCQ wise only. It will be there, right? You said
Yes.
MCQ wise
Yes.
only.
MCQ
Other,
only.
okay. I think so. Personally, we will have a chat about it. I will take your time and we will have a talk about it,
Sure.
how to go
Sure.
ahead. One other last question. Since these exams will be totally online, everything online, Deepika, I just wanted to ask you: will this online degree, please can who's there? Online degree will be valid? I mean, tomorrow, suppose that the other lady says, I'm interested to go for the US and all that also, right?
Yes. Sorry, I have muted you. Unmute. Doctor, unmute yourself.
Our online degree will be valid, only
See,
that much only I
online,
want.
it will not be written as online. In your certificate, online will not written as that you have given online exam. Right? Because this is nowadays it becomes global. No, it is not possible
No
to
issue, but
reach
it
here.
should be that, like how we do know that internship is must, case study is must, assignment is must, everything is
Yes.
must. So physical attending also will not should be a problem tomorrow. That is the only way I just humbly request.
No. It
Okay,
will not be any problem. Not at all.
okay. Then it's a very nice
Yes.
thing talking to you, madam. I will definitely come back to you on the personal level and we will decide how to move about. As far as me is
Sure,
concerned, I'm
doctor.
very confident that we will join each other. Okay.
Sure,
Thank you and hari om.
madam. Thank you.
Bye bye.
Hello.
Anything else? Yes, Manjiri.
I'm interested to know who was talking because it.
Pardon, I can't understand your question.
No. Just now, somebody else talked with you. Who was that, madam? I am eager to know about that
She was,
personality.
yeah. She was a medical practitioner, pathologist from Sion Hospital, government
Yes, I
Sion
couldn't get
Hospital.
her name. Couldn't get her name. Okay, it's okay. Later when you can give me. Okay, thank you so much.
Now, any question? Apurva Phadnis.
No, ma'am.
Anyone want to ask something?
Hello. Just
Yes,
one
Manjiri.
question, ma'am.
Yes.
Prior to level 3, I have completed my master's degree in environmental management, and before that, I have completed BSc in zoology. So, about anatomy, physiology, everything I know in detail. I mean, I'm going to repeat your class, but I'm getting confused where to go for yoga therapy or for pre-postnatal. I mean, the yoga therapy also pre postnatal everything will be covered, no?
No. It is not covered in such detail. See, this
Okay,
is a course 75 hours you are spending in this one topic only. It's like a specialty course.
okay,
It is not that much of
okay, and it
in
has an
detail.
important in today's present days, no? It's very important for to guide ladies. Yes. Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am, you don't have Saturday, Sunday batch.
Saturday, Sunday for level 3, Lalita.
Level 3 batch is there.
Yeah, level
What are
3
the
batch is
timing?
there. Timing for level 3 Saturday is 5 to 8 total. In that 5 to 7 3 theory and 7 to 8 practical. PM, evening में, and Sunday morning 7 to 8 practicals and 8:15 to 10:15 will be theory.
Sorry. Tell me again. 5 to 7 is
We'll
therapy.
post in the group. Lalita, are you there in the group? We'll post in the group. All the timing, fees and all will post in the group. Orientation group. Are you there? Orientation
Yes.
group.
I am in that.
Yeah. So we'll post all and also video recording also will post in the group. So you
Okay,
will have that.
I will go through it and I will join, because the Monday to Friday I have my classes from morning 7 to afternoon 1 o'clock, and then 2:30 to 4:30, 5 o'clock. So that only
See,
I
this is
wanted.
the yoga teachers course, no? So many yoga teachers, 99% will be yoga teacher only. Right. So
Yeah, I am a yoga
we have
teacher
that
already.
so we
I
have
am
that
yoga teacher
facility.
from YBN.
Okay.
And did my therapy before 20 years, but continuously last 20 years I am into this profession only, running my own classes for ladies. And I did my naturopathy ND and MD, and I am a healer also.
Very
So
nice.
naturopathy I know Dr. Hingu, means Deepak Hingu. I did my level 1 and level 2 also, but level 3 I don't know what fear is there behind me. But continuously whenever I am joining level 3, means thinking of level 3, and then again no Baba, it is not come up.
Lalita, you can do, not a problem at all.
So many times I inquire for Garbha Sanskar and my timings are not suiting. I want Saturday, Sunday, because morning for 7 to
But it is not possible, no, Lalita. All classes on Saturday, Sunday, no. But
Yes,
you can adjust. So many people have done that from out of India. One student was that from Canada. She used to get up early at 4 o'clock at Indian time. She attended at Indian time only because she was at that place she was only out of India people. So 4 बजे उठ के वो अटेंड करती थी. तो
it
थोड़ा
is
बहुत
timings are
एडजस्टमेंट
11 to 1, right? Timings are 11 to 1.
11 to 1.
So my classes are only getting over by 1 o'clock. Every time this is clashing, and my course is last 2 years.
But you can refer video recording, and accordingly you can ask me questions, and we'll have separate one or two session also.
If it is okay, then I will definitely join that.
Yes, Lalita.
You
It is
will send me
because
link.
we must have that much of flexibility, no, from your side and from my side also. Then only the thing will be possible. Otherwise, I am a professional. Some people, you people are also professionals, doctors. See, the doctor madam was that. So this type of flexibility and facility must be given in nowadays, in this era. No one are at home. You know my husband?
Yeah, he used to come for some lectures. I did from NAI. So level 1, level 2. But I did my ND and MD naturopath from Dombivli, Naturopathy Shikshan Sanstha. So naturally, I am very much interested in doing all these courses. But if you are sending me links, I am definitely interested in doing all those courses.
Sure. Now, any question?
Ma'am, your number which I have got, that is the calling number, right? It is not WhatsApp number.
No, it is WhatsApp number 9869 121713. It's a WhatsApp number.
Okay, okay.
Yes.
Okay, okay. Okay. Okay, thank you.
Any question in chat box? I'm in Navi Mumbai, so how will be internship? Yes, Umaid Ali Hamid will guide you. Navi Mumbai also, so many doctors are known to us and will guide you accordingly. How will internship work? I didn't live in Mumbai. Yes, PH. I will guide you to how to contact doctor, and also will give the letter from our institute. Varni Yogalaya will give the letter, and you have to show that letter to your doctor, your family, your known doctor, and they will allow you. Not a problem. And that will guide you. In my case, how it works? Sneha Kartik. Yes, Sneha आपको भी हम गाइड कर सकते हैं क्योंकि वो आप तो ऑस्ट्रेलिया में रहेंगे, लेकिन विल सी सम so much noise. Language 100% English or mixed with Hindi. Don't know Hindi. Yes, Muthuraman. The language is see. I will repeat each and every topic in both the language, English and Hindi. If you are not understanding, then you can tell me that, Madam, please repeat, explain in the English. Then I will explain again. Not a problem. You can ask me any doubt anytime. That is not a problem. Language will not be a problem. I tell you that.
Ma'am, this is Saidulu from Telangana.
Yes.
Yoga therapy fees how much, ma'am?
In India, it is 35,000, and for out of India people, it is
1,200.
1,200.
Any installment there?
Yes, 2 installment. You can pay in 2 installment. At the time of registration,
First, how much?
Half.
Ma'am, half
installment. From
when
Annamalai
start, ma'am, this course?
Yoga therapy course
this course
yoga therapy will take 10 to 11 months. That is nearly 1 year, we can say. Minimum 10 months.
Okay, date, ma'am. Date. It will start.
Yeah. Bhavna, you have done Annamalai University, no? So you can go for any level. Level 3 you can do directly because you have done diploma from yoga, and yoga therapy also you can do, Bhavna.
I also
please
did,
let us
ma'am.
know fees structure and when is the exam, because now I joined. Please repeat. Yes, Mukta will send the details in the group. How many month course and this naturopathy once. How many months course and is this naturopathy course? No, it's not a particularly naturopathy, but yes, naturopathy knowledge you will be given. There is a one subject also, unit में एक topic ही है पूरा, आयुर्वेद, naturopathy, यूनानी सिद्ध, पूरा आपको knowledge दिया जाएगा. The concept of naturopathy you will come to know. But it is not a naturopathy course. This is a yoga course. I have completed level 2. Can I attend YCB therapy? Yes, you can attend. What's your degree? Tamil Selvi. Yes, Selvi, you are graduate. Then you can do YCB yoga therapy if you have completed level 2.
Ma'am, I did my post graduation also PG diploma in Annamalai last year in Yoga Shastra. Now I want to ask, all these degrees of YCB, is it they are valid in US also?
Yes, 100%. 100%. Is level 3 mandatory for level 2? शायद उल्टा लिखा है, level 2 is mandatory for level 3 ऐसा आएगा. No, it is not like that. You can give direct level 3, but you have to work थोड़ा little bit more. Rajesh Gare.
even level 3 also I can take the admission and you will send me link. Is level 3 as it is on Saturday, Sunday, so I can attend that. But
Yoga therapy. Garbha Sanskar and yoga therapy you can do.
Yoga therapy, first I want to do level 3.
बापरे बापरे मत बोलो, मैं आपको प्रिपेयर करूंगी ना वैसे. आप कॉन्फिडेंस रखो अपने ऊपर और मेरे ऊपर. Believe me, and yourself.
Only I got.
Yes.
After seeing you, I got confident enough inside. Yes, I can do.
Yeah,
but
you
level 3, I don't know what is my passion. Level 3 and Garbha Sanskar. Just now I thought to do immediately to enroll for the level 3 and Garbha Sanskar. That is 21,000. You said, na?
I have one doubt, that is there any qualification for this course? Is this certificate useful in India only? And also yes, it is ये है useful in India तो है ही है. Outside India is also this course is valid. It's 100% valid outside India also, because it's a Indian government course, not a any institute, private institute course. It is Indian government, Indian emblem. With Indian emblem, you will get certificate. On your certificate, there is Indian emblem. So it is valid in all over the world. And yes, Bala Lakshmi, you can message me in person, because if you are very new, then better to go for level 3, Bala Lakshmi. Not suitable. You are not suitable for yoga therapy if you are very new. Vijal, any question?
No, ma'am. Thank you. This is a very detailed information. आपको तो पता ही है, I am not from yoga background, but
आप अभी yoga background में आ जाइए. You are there in yoga background.
Yes, तो मैं ये बोलना चाहती हूँ यहाँ पे सुनने वालों को कि मैं वापस से मुझे प्री पोस्ट नेटल वापस से करना है आपके साथ, और डेफिनेटली बेसिक योगा करना है, क्योंकि जो 1 साल पहले मैंने कोर्स किया था आपके थ्रू, इट वाज अमेजिंग एंड इट टुक माय लाइफ टू अ डिफरेंट लेवल विद गर्भ संस्कार. थैंक यू मैम. इतना तो मैं बोलूंगी.
सो थैंक यू विजय. तो आप लेवल 3 के लिए आगे बढ़े विजय?
मैंने वही, मुझे पता नहीं था कि अभी लेवल 3 है डायरेक्ट, लेवल 1 लेवल 2 तो किया नहीं है मैडम.
नहीं, इट्स ओके. यू हैव दैट क्वालिटी. आई नो you will do, and you are teaching.
Yes,
no, you're professionally you are also active, so you will do.
Ma'am, one thing I wanted to ask, if we are preparing for level 2, then after this exam, how can we extend it to level 3? Like if currently I am doing my masters, can I directly apply for level 3?
Masters in which field?
Yoga.
From where?
MSc in yoga from Patanjali University.
Okay, so you can go for level 3 directly, Neha. No need to appear for level 2, because your background is yoga background, right?
Okay.
So level 3 and yoga therapy also you can do. ICT yoga therapy, because you are master, so you are eligible for yoga therapy also.
Yoga therapy is different and yoga therapy consultant level is different.
Yes.
But this yoga therapy consultant, that is by YCB, and that yoga therapy.
Both are YCB. Both are YCB. Yoga therapy also YCB, level 3 YCB, yoga therapy consultant also YCB. But consultant का अभी तक ये कोर्स डिजाइन हुआ नहीं है. कोर्स डिजाइन, सिलेबस डिजाइन हो गया है, लेकिन थेरेपी का अभी एग्जाम होगा. कंसल्टेंट की एग्जाम उसके बाद में लिख जाएगी, क्योंकि YCB ने अभी तक therapy in the field of that therapy only 3 to 4 months back they have introduced. So they have not conducted any exams in therapy, right? So will if you are attending appear for this level therapy exam, then I think the first batch or second batch of yoga therapy exam. So therapeutic consultant will be the next exam. So go for yoga therapy Neha and the level 3.
Both at the same time, but the payment will be different, no? You have to pay
See,
for
you
both
will
them,
get
no?
discount. No, you will get discount if you are ready for 3 course, all the prenatal, postnatal also. Then you will have a big discount.
ओके और मैम वो गर्भ संस्कार का कितनी टाइम तक वैसे होगा क्लास? जैसे कि आई नो यू टोल्ड मी अबाउट द टाइमिंग्स, बट जैसे कितने महीने तक?
It's
एंड
a
इज इट
75
कवरिंग
hours course. 75 hours course.
सो जैसे देखा जाए तो कितने दिन, कितने महीने ऐसे क्या रहेगा?
आपको 2 महीने तो जाएंगे नेहा, क्योंकि आपको इसमें भी इंटर्नशिप करनी है, आपने इसमें भी प्रैक्टिकल क्लासेस लेके सबमिट करने हैं.
अच्छा सो और इसमें
So you will guide us for
हमें
that.
योग एंड आयुर्वेद दोनों का समन्वय होगा, दोनों सिखाए?
दोनों सिखाया जाएगा, दोनों.
ओके एंड और एंटायर 9 months जर्नी है ना? जी जी जी, थैंक यू. Ma'am, I'm sharing you personally the message, my phone number, because I could not find that WhatsApp thing. Okay, so I'm sharing you the number. Please note it down.
3295124888. Is it Neha? Neha, you saved ma'am's number. If you saved it, then you will get her WhatsApp number. You can see her, I think.
I have saved her, but I don't know why I couldn't get it. I have saved it actually. So, but now I've shared the number to
You have
ma'am.
to add +91.
Acha, maybe.
Otherwise, you would be
Is
having
it
that
correct?
link. Somebody else have messaged you, know, that attend this Zoom meeting. If you press at the top of that message, then you'll get an option that message to this number. Try like this also.
See, sometimes it takes time to reflect in WhatsApp, but it is my WhatsApp number. Till evening, it in your phone, 1 or 2 hours it takes to reflect in the WhatsApp, Neha. But it is my WhatsApp number only, 9869121713. Or write down my husband, Dr. Dinesh Hingu's number also. You can message them also. 9819
77 98
78
हाँ जी, पूरा मैं एक बार बताती हूँ. 9819779878. Okay, done.
Or in Google, if you type Deepika, Dr. Deepika Hingu or Varni Yogalaya, full contact and address information will be there.
Okay.
Varni Yogalaya or Dr. Deepika Hingu. Our address and phone number is there.
जी. Okay. Yes. जी. Thank you so much.
Thank you. So, any question? So shall we end the meeting here?
Yeah.
Take a deep inhalation. Raise your palm. Exhale. Okay. Please come on down. Feel freshness, feel energy. Thank you very much. Have a nice day, everybody. I'm ending the meeting. We'll send you the recording link.
जी.
Madam, offline classes will not be there at all.
No, because we have people from all around the India and world. No offline classes ऑफलाइन क्लासेस पॉसिबल नहीं होंगे मेरी, ऐसा हो गया।
Exam also online.
एग्जाम ऑल्सो ऑनलाइन,
Everything online.
okay,
Nice.
yeah,
Very happy.
thank you so much, thank you, bye,
Thank you, ma'am.
bye.